Okay, meron pa po from Lions Club. Okay, Lions International Cordillera Region, District 301C, Northern Philippines. Plate of appreciation is presented to Basco Incorporation. In grateful recognition of your active participation and generous support during the Caravan of Services held in DPS Covered Court on February 16, 2026, your dedication to service and compassion for others embody the true spirit of Lionism and have left a lasting impact on the life of many Cordilleras. Signed by Region Chairperson, Lions Club International, Cordillera Region, Eugene P. Barway. Right, next, plate of appreciation is presented to San Francisco Healthcare Providers Cyber Lions Club. Francisco. Sosyali ng plate of appreciation shaped into kalasag wooden form. Plate of appreciation is presented to San Francisco Dynamics Lions Club. San Francisco. Plate of appreciation is presented to San Francisco Host Lions Club. Appreciation is presented to National Commission of Senior Citizens.
Accepting my postpartum body as an athlete, I was super fit.
NCSC.
That's the full episode on Wilkins Health Circle, Circle of Trust.
Only on the Wilkins Water official
And
page.
thank you very much, Lions Club International.